The theme for the World Environment Day 2022 is biodiversity site. According to the UN, it is a concern that is both urgent and existential. Biodiversity supports of all life on land and below water, or we can say it is the foundation that supports all this. Every aspect of human health is affected by it. It provides clean air, water, food, and is a source of medicines, etc. Human actions like deforestation, encroachment on wildlife habitats, intensified agriculture, and acceleration of global climate change have disturbed nature and pushed it beyond its limit. According to an UN, it would take 1.6 Earths to meet the demands that humans make of nature every year. If this will continue, it poses a huge biodiversity loss that will have severe implications for humanity as a result of the loss of food and health systems. The theme for the World Environment Day 2019 was air pollution. Air pollution is increasing day by day and it seems complex to control it, but nothing is impossible. We should come together to combat it, and for this it is necessary to understand different types of pollution, how it affects our health and environment will help us to steps towards improving the air around us. We can't stop breathing, but we can do something to improve the quality of air that we breathe. Around 92% of the people worldwide do not breathe clean air. The theme for the World Environment Day 2018 was Beat Plastic Pollution. We know that it is not possible to reuse plastic. They are non biodegradable. So it is better not to use it. Plastic consists on several chemicals which are toxic or disrupt hormones. Plastics can also serve as a magnet for other pollutants including dioxins, metals, and pesticides. Therefore, it is necessary to call the people from all over the world to come and combat single use plastic pollution, which harms our ecosystem and consequently us. World Environment Day history. Since 1974, World Environment Day has been started celebrating as an annual event on every 5th June to raise the importance of the healthy and green environment in the human lives, to solve the issues of the environment by implementing some positive environmental actions by government, organizations and individual as a whole. There was a turning point in the year 1972, the development of international environmental politics, that is the first major conference on the issues of environment, was convened under the United Nations from 5th to 16th June in Stockholm. It was also known as the Conference on the Human Environment, or the USA Conference. Its aim was to commonly look into the challenge of preserving and enhancing the human environment. Then, on 15 December in the same year, the General Assembly adopted a resolution designating 5th June as World Environment Day. Further, another resolution was adopted by the General Assembly on 15th December that led to the creation of the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP. First time World Environment Day was celebrated in 19th. It is necessary to address the environmental issues like deforestation, increasing global warming, wastage and losses of food, pollution, etc. Throughout the world, several campaigns are organized with a particular theme and slogan to bring effectiveness around the world. This day is celebrated to successfully get carbon neutrality, reducing greenhouse effects, focusing on forest management, planting on degraded lands, energy production through solar sources, promoting coral reefs and mangroves, developing new drainage system, etc. A study conducted by Allen Foundation in 2015 says that about 6.3 billion tons of plastic waste has been generated in the world so far, and around 19% of this will not decompose for at least 50 years. Microplastic or tiny fragments have been found in soil, tap water, bottled water, beer, and even in the air we breathe, according to scientists. World Environment Day is celebrated to spread awareness among common people about the issues of the environment, encourage common people from different society and communities to actively participate in the celebration, as well as become an active agent in developing environmental safety measures, encourage people to make their nearby surroundings safe and clean, to enjoy safer, cleaner and more prosperous future. Plastic harms marine life and pose a threat to human health. A large part of the population depends upon plastic for their daily use. Do you know nearly one third of it is not disposed of properly and ends up clogging drains and choke their environment? Plastics can persist in the environment for nearly 1,000 years before it fully disintegrates. Plastics are non-renewable and its manufacture and destruction expose individuals and environment to many toxins including plastics make up 10% of the total waste generated. Half of it is full stop and over.